Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a banner on your Shopify website. Yes, it's super easy, super convenient. It requires no initial investment, at least in this video, guys. So I'm going to show you that for complete beginners. But as I said, it requires no initial investment. You can always purchase some platforms, some tools, some programs, guys, that can make you some stunning pictures, stunning banners for your Shopify website. But in this video, I'll focus on free version. How can you make your own banner, guys, in a free version? So let's check it out right now. First thing first that we need, of course, to check out, guys, right here is to go to our Shopify account. Right here, you can check it out. This is our online store. You can see this is our theme for now, guys. You can switch themes down below. I'm where you all know that. Just press on add. You have you can purchase some themes, or you can just go with the free ones. But for the sake of this video, we just go with this current one right here. Press on customize right here, guys, and then after that this page will pop up. Announcement bar, header, image banner is here that we need right now. Actually, browse the latest products, buttons, featured collections, and everything. Footer is here. That's for website customization. We're gonna do a video separate for that also. But for a banner, what we need to do here, press on this right here, and you can check it out. Image banner is here. This is the picture that you can see. So first thing that I want to show you, the easiest way for you to make a banner, guys, to upload a banner is, of course, to explore free images right here. For first image, you can search right here. You can search for it depends on your store, what you're selling, what's your story, what's behind your store and everything, guys. Staff favorites, shop local, women's fashion, fall, men's fashion, guys, out here. Nature, for example, you can press on nature, see this category, and for example, you can see this banner, guys, and you can check it out right here. Right here, you can see it's automatically uploaded, guys, for you. You can press on select, or you can just go back, exit right here. And again, let's go and see how can you actually make your own banner. As I said, image banner right here, explore free images out here for first and second image, but you need to select your own. As I said, it's up to you. It's up to your imagination, and it's up to your creativity, your persistency, guys, on how you want your banner to look like. So number one website and platform that I would recommend for you guys to make your own banner is, of course, right here on Canva. So you can check it out. Of course, if you have Canva Premium, guys, that's the best possible thing for you to have, guys, right now, because you can get some premium images, guys, of course. But as I said, this video is focusing on free stuff. So let's see how can you do it with zero initial investment. And of course, you can use a Photoshop also, guys, but that requires a bit more skill from your side. So right here, use 5 words to describe your design. Let's check it out. Shopify banner, guys, right here. Let's see what we have here. For example, you can see plenty of those banners are premium ones, so you need to search for ones without the crown here. So let's scroll down a bit and see if there's anything interesting, guys, that is actually free. Down below, you can see pet care channel, again, premium one out here. Personal branding, guys, right here, you can check it out. You can scroll and search for some free images, guys, for yourself. Wildlife, let's see how this looks like. Once you find your image, guys, what you want to be your banner, then what you need to do is to customize this template. This is the part where I said, guys, everything that pops up in your head, you can type it in, you can find it, you can adjust that, guys, customize the banner yourself the way you want to customize it. EST right here, we can see the wildlife watchers right here. Let's see 2020. Let's just press right here 2024. Okay, I like this. We maybe did not need this one. 2024, maybe we do not need this one. This right here, let's see what we can do on a middle. 2024 wildlife, we'll put right here the name of the channel. So let's see, maybe some caps lock, wave. Okay, let's just stick with wave, and down below, what do you think, guys? So yeah, you can see how it looks like. We can even switch it. We can switch the font, switch the colors, guys. You can add images, of course, templates, elements right here, guys. Subscribe, YouTube, and everything, guys. You can add some elements, text, either. You can add heading, subheading, a little bit of body tags, guys, out here. Power workout, uploads, brand, draw. You can even draw. That's right. So template, styles, YouTube banner, guys, as I said, right here from elements, we can choose right here, generate your own from photos and everything. See all, guys. Let's press on see all photos. Right here, we can find this photo, and then you can see how it looks like. Again, you can switch it. You can of course move it from one way to another, guys. But this right here, I think suits pretty good. I mean, As I said, it's just the point to show to you how can you easily make your own banner, guys. So please let your imagination do what it wills, guys, because of course it's up to your creativity. Banner is extremely important for your marketplace, for your website on Shopify, guys. So let's check it out how it looks like. Download it, of course. Download the image, of course, right here where the image is being downloaded. So see you in a second. And once you're done with your downloading, guys, what we need to do is to go, of course, right here, select an image from, of course, search files, images, upload an image. After that, here's our banner. Let's see, uploading one item. We just need to wait for a second for the item to be uploaded. And that's it. So right here, let's see how it looks like. Pretty neat, pretty awesome right now. You can see, guys, with $0, we need to press on done and let's see the magic. So that's it, guys. Take a look at this. I think this hoodie with this design would be pretty amazing. So as I said, you can use Canva, you can use free Canva, guys. You can use Photoshop as well, guys, if you want to have some initial investments or anything like that. Then of course Canva Premium, guys, and you're good to go. Or you can pay to someone to make your banner. I mean, it ain't matter, but banner is definitely one of the most important things that you can have on your website. Right here, again, we will do this later, guys, header and footer and everything. As I said, I will show to you how to customize your own website, but this right here looks pretty amazing, pretty neat. So now write down in the comment section what you think about it, guys, if you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.